Hi, I'm Hanna Mäkinen, Product Manager of Veneer Patching from Raute. This video presents the Raute's new solution, R3 patching machine. R3 series patching machine is designed to make same excellent quality as Raute R7 patching line. Normally capacity is about 615 patches per hour. There is a taping unit also available with this. R3 patching machine is easy to use with short startup time. With patching machine, you repair defect on veneer with solid wood. All settings you need when change the veneer quality or do the maintenance is easy to find and adjustment HMI screen. And there is option for language package, what makes operating easier for local operators. With laser pointer, aiming for the patch and tape is easy to do. There is a foot pedal for patching and tape unit, and it makes operating fast and safe. Side tables are designed for ergonomic working and support veneer during the process. Raute butterfly patch shape is engineered to get maximum hold. Taping unit is best solution to recover the patch hold when patched a bigger defect and reduce the end split issues. Patching die is engineering for high quality material. Only surface grinding needed after 1 million patches, and you can grind one die almost 50 times. If you want to learn more, don't hesitate to take contact Raute expert. Thank you.